What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to complete Lawless Market. It's a bit of a buggy quest, but let's get it done. This one's located under Crimson Desert. Crimson Desert commissions Weaken's black market over here. In order to start this quest, you'll need to head across to Weaken, or whatever it is, all the way over here just south of the Crimson Desert. As you can see on the far east side of the map, zooming in, over here is where we'll be starting it. And in order to actually get this quest, assuming you can wake up from a nap that is, you'll need to come across to this corner of the village, which is the south side, and over here there'll be two people who are about to speak. Make your way behind this wall here, hold control or whatever your lantern button is, and you should start eavesdropping here. Keep holding it all the way until eventually they finish speaking. Just keep in mind you're not actually holding out your lantern, instead you'll start leaning on the wall like this, although again it's that eavesdropping mechanic where you have to hold the key or button for it to start. It's a bit finicky, but over here is where you get it done, right over here just south of Weaken. Then it'll take you all the way down to the Weaken wagon fence over here, and in this location to the north of this section you'll speak to someone here who says, "Go and fetch me a wagon." I'm pretty sure it's this dude. Anyways, once you've spoken to him, it just simply says, "Get on the wagon," and of course there's no wagon here. All we need to do is go out into the world and find one to steal, to borrow, etc. For this, just head out to one of the roads and run around it until you eventually either run into bandits with a wagon, or you find some basic villagers that have a wagon that you can pinch. Over here, these are at least hostile. So after we deal with them, we can simply just hop on this wagon. Counts as stealing even though they stole it. Well, counter steal, I'm hopping on it, and we're getting going. All we need to do now is head back and sell the wagon. If this doesn't work for you, then you've probably hopped on a wagon that just for some reason or other doesn't seem to count. Now this one that I found in this random interaction was right over here, just north of this road. Maybe this is the one that you have to come and get, or you just need to find one in general, but either ways, after you hop on one, it should tick it off. Now all we need to do is make our way back. Once you get back to the camp, they should open up the area where you can sell it, and the quest line should update to say, "Sell the wagon." If it doesn't, and instead it still says "Get on the wagon," just drive it around the area, park around here until eventually it decides to work, or you're able to drive it into here, and after the cutscene shows, you've sold the wagon, and of course, you've ticked off that part of the quest. All you need to do is speak to the same person where you started it, and just like that, it should be ticked off. Now, of course, he'll request 2 more of these, and if you saw the challenge to bring back 2 and sell 2, well, hopefully you didn't do that before you handed in the quest. Either ways, travel out towards that same road just to the west and head up towards the north, where you'll usually find a couple of these lying around. Otherwise, you'll need to explore deeper into the Crimson Desert. I've found one right over here, as well as just on top of the hill here. Either ways, getting some of these through illicit or non-illicit methods, and delivering one, selling it by driving in, waiting for the cutscene, followed by finding and borrowing another one. It seems like there's always one that spawns over here by the Desert Free Sword camp, so you'll basically always find one driving along this road. Quite nice to pinch. Once you've grabbed and pinched the second one, heading back again, we can sell this one, make a little bit of money, and of course, tick off this quest as well as the challenge to sell 3 of them to this vendor. Once we've done that, we've successfully completed this quest and the challenge, and of course, hopefully you made more money than you have to spend in fines. But thank you for watching. That's been Lawless Market and Wagon Collector. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.